I think a lot of people build houses, but I don't think that a lot of people obsess over the process of building the houses. I view building as almost like a piece of art. My name is Raymond Harrington. I'm the operations manager for Brookstone Construction Group. I grew up in this industry and around this industry. I remember laying sod in the 5th grade with my dad. When I left to go to school, I didn't think that there would be a day of me coming back and working with the family company. That plan kind of all changed. Pulled my first permit over spring break my senior year and started working with my parents. Once I started building and working with the clients and designing everything, I ended up, falling in love with it and realized that it was a passion that I just never really knew that I had.
You're gonna have plenty of enough space to keep all your main appliances down here. It would just be, whatever storage you want up top.
As we started to build more homes, we were looking to expand our portfolio of plans that we utilize, and I came across Architectural Designs on social media, and after getting on their website, realized that these are exactly the plans that we were looking for. We're accustomed to seeing websites that offer maybe a couple hundred plans, and I was shocked to see over 20,000 plans on their website, and it really realized that the possibilities were endless. We start the process with our clients where we'll go out and we'll look at the lot and look at the land in which we're building on. I can take a seat right over here. When we get back from our meeting on site, the first thing that we do is pull up Architectural Design's website, and we utilize their filters to the fullest extent possible, whether that be slope, branch, 2-story, bedroom count, bathroom count, whatever you're looking for. It's kind of a mixture. It's mainly on a ranch. Within a matter of minutes, we're able to see hundreds of floor plans that will fit all of the client's needs and their lot needs. We're almost immediately able to provide rough estimates for our clients within $100,000 on different plans that the clients may be considering doing. Just allows us to be able to build trust with them.
With a lot of windows.
What we have found with working with AD and starting with a stock plan is it allows for our clients to focus on the things that matter to them. When you have the quantity of plans that Architectural Designs provides, we don't have to reinvent the wheel. We're able to take a plan or two and make minor tweaks to it and ultimately save the client a lot of time and money.
Well, it's good seeing you all, and we'll get started on this and hopefully, get moving fast for everybody.
99% of the time, we're building a home for a client. We're working with Architectural Designs plans. My parents' home is in Architectural Designs floor plan, and I'm actually working with a floor plan right now from Architectural Designs for our new home that we're building. We're not just pushing it on our clients, it actually works. One of the main things that I love about Architectural Designs is the very first plan that we purchased from them, I was able to pick up the phone and talk with a human being on the other end. Anytime we have a question, they're there to answer it, they're there to pick up the phone. If we have any issues, they always have taken care of us. The people on the other end of the phone are really there to help you and care about your process. For our clients, and we want to turn their dream into a reality. Architectural Designs allows us to do that. I build with Architectural Designs because they provide the best tools needed for our clients to find the homes that they're looking for.